I don't know what's going on. Jay's made me do this 3 times, so whatever. We're going to do something about 3 beaches, so watch the video. Hi there guys, Sean here from 5 Star Marine with Jay.
Hello, I'm Jay. Hey, Sean.
Just wait. Hi, I'm Sean from 5 Star Marine here with...
Hi, I'm Jay.
Hi, I'm Sean here from 5 Star Marine with...
I get what you're doing now. Hi, I'm Jay.
Everything's in 3s today.
Hey, Sean, name something that comes in 3s.
Oh, let's not go through that. We talked about this off camera and only on our OnlyFans behind the scene channel.
Triplets.
Oh, wow.
Thank you very much.
Hiccups. If you're going to do a hiccup, you've got to do 3 of them.
Really?
Yeah. That's a real thing.
Is it really?
Have you ever hiccuped and only hiccuped once?
The best thing.
Actually, we're going to talk about the beaches, the top 3 beaches in
the
entire world, as said by the
Lonely Planet have just released some beaches that they say are the top.
I know which one it is.
Wait, we haven't done the, I was doing the
No. Last year we announced this. I remember already. Number 1's Kokradang.
No. That's a different website.
What do you mean?
That wasn't Lonely Planet. That was some other website. I can't remember what it was called.
What?
Doesn't matter. Anyway.
Does Lonely Planet even know?
Don't finish my best things.
Does Lonely Planet even know?
3 things in life, good things come in 3s, don't they? Is that what they say? That's a quote, isn't it? Left backs, back in the old days,
actually,
soccer players used to play left back, number 3.
How many kids in your family?
2.
2.
Well, including me, there's 3 kids in my family.
Really?
I didn't say that very well, did I?
I was going to say...
No. Have we done enough 3 things?
It's always the 3rd kid that's the best kid, right?
Lonely Planet Guide have just said their best beaches in the world, and we're going to go
Kokradang.
No, it wasn't on there. Guess what, though? Can you guess?
I'm confused. How do they decide which is the best beach in the world?
I don't know.
Oh, you do? Did you do any research? Oh, wait, I can see it. This is his research.
Sure.
Seriously.
People weren't meant to see that.
You get paid to do this stuff, and that's how much research you do?
That research just says Lonely Planet, and it also tells you what the top 2 beaches are.
And now we've got Nescafe holding the camera up.
Would you just get off this?
All right, whatever.
Very
top 3 beaches in the world, as stated by Lonely Planet. Number 1.
No, we're very happy because you want to do number 1 down? I thought we were going to say the one that we're at.
No, do number 1.
Okay. Number 1 is apparently in a place called Australia.
Oh, well, of course.
In a place called Byron's Bay.
Byron's Bay, not Brian's. Well, not Life of Brian.
Can't spell his name right.
Byron's Bay.
In Byron's Bay, apparently.
Byron's Bay.
I look at my notes because it's on my notes here. Yes. Apparently it's called The Pass. Have you ever heard of it?
No.
Anyone from Australia?
I went past it.
He went past it 3 times. He went past it, past it.
It's in the past, Jay.
Okay, all right, moving on.
Number 2.
Number 2 beach, it's in Rio de Janeiro, but I can't say the name of it. In Penina. Oompa Loompa, didgeridoo. I like Oompa Loompas.
Yeah, I really do. I love Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
You should get Oompa Loompas.
Actually, are we on like some kind of ADD medication? We're like all over the shop today.
This is going mental. Anyway, the 3rd,
number 3,
best beach in the whole wide world.
Actually, before we do it.
Oh, what?
This beach
is amazing.
It closed for a few years.
To bring back the life.
Then it reopened.
And
then it's due to close again.
Yes.
1st of August.
That's right.
And we have a whole video about that and a blog post about that. There'll be a link in the area below. What do you call that area again?
In the description.
There you go. About that. Jay will forget to do it, but we'll do it at some point.
I won't forget.
If it's not there, comment that we'll do it.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyway, the number 3 beach in the world,
as voted by Lonely Planet, is drumroll,
and made famous by Leonardo DiCaprio.
That's right.
And Jay's favorite beach in the world. So I'll let Jay say it.
Maya Bay! Maya. Oh, I'm confused. Anyway, that's where fireworks go off, carpets and fireworks, and woo, cheering and stuff. Yes, Maya Bay is, according to Lonely Planet, the third, that's why it was all about 3 stuff, best beach in the world.
Yeah.
I think that's quite cool.
That is very cool. And I also saw, as we're talking about things that are being voted to be awesome.
Yes.
I saw that TripAdvisor came out and gave Phuket as one of the top 10 places to visit in the world.
Wicked. Thank you, TripAdvisor. You guys are wicked with respect. Awesome.
Yeah, so what we would like to say is that if you would like to see Maya, the beach that Leo walked on.
Maya Bay.
Famous from the beach.
Maya Bay.
If you'd like to see that one, you can do it.
Third best beach in the world.
You can come with us.
That's right.
Because we go out there.
So we now have the first best beach in the world as Crocodile.
Depending on who's voting.
Depending on which website you're on.
Actually, next week we're going to do a whole video of the top 3 beaches in the world as voted by Jay.
That's right.
Because no one really cares. As long as you post it on a website, you can say whatever you like.
That's right. It's good for SEO.
I don't know. I'm confused. But whatever it is, Maya Bay is number 3 as voted by the Lonely Planet Guide. We have no idea who voted for it. Probably no one. And we don't even know if the Lonely Planet Guide's even been there.
Does it still exist, the Lonely Planet Guide? It must do, because they've got a website, haven't they?
What's a Lonely Planet Guide? Isn't that like...
Here's the thing. With the Lonely Planet, isn't that a bit of an oxymoron? Because what Lonely Planet has done is actually made the planet less lonely by telling everyone about these amazing backpacking places, and then they become tourist places. So well done, Lonely Planet. You've ruined the world. I probably shouldn't finish off like that, should I? Well done, Lonely Planet. You guys are awesome. Anyway, that's the video. Maya Bay, 3rd best beach in the world. If you want to go on holiday there, we'll put a little link in the description. It just says Maya Bay. Click that link. Thanks. Bye.